Hello everyone, my name is Hatim Jawazala. Today we are going to solve a numerical on topic plasticity characteristics of soil in geotechnical engineering. This numerical was asked in December 2016 for 5 marks. Okay, let's start the numerical. A saturated soil sample has a volume of 20 centimeter cube at liquid limit. The shrinkage limit and liquid limit are 18% and 45% respectively. The specific gravity of solid is 2.73. Find the minimum volume at which can be attained by the soil. Okay, we have to find out the volume at shrinkage limit. In question, the given data is the liquid limit is 45%, shrinkage limit is 18%, and specific gravity of solid is given as 2.73 and volume at liquid limit equals to 23 centimeter cube. Okay, we have to find a volume at shrinkage limit. Therefore, liquid limit equals to mass of water divided by mass of solids. Okay, the liquid limit is 0.45 divided by mass of water divided by mass of solid. Therefore, mass of solid equals to mass of water equals to 0.45 mass of solids. Next, we are considering density of water equals to in gram per cc. Therefore, mass of water divided by volume of water equals to, we are taking as 1. The gram density of water is 1 gram per cc. Therefore, mass of water equals to volume of water. Okay, now we have to consider total volume at liquid limit. Equals to volume of solid plus volume of water. Okay, the volume of solid is mass of the solid divided by density of solid. Okay, density of solid we can write as G rho W plus volume of solid, which is mass of the solid. Okay, the mass of water. Okay, volume of water equals to mass of water. The mass of water can be written as 0.45 ms. Okay, the total volume of liquid limit is already given, which is 23 centimeter cube. We have to put a 23. Therefore, from solving the equation, we have to find out mass of the solid. Okay, therefore mass of solid equals to 28.17 grams. Next, we have to find out total volume at shrinkage limit. Total volume at shrinkage limit equals to Vs plus the volume of water will be at shrinkage limit Therefore, the total volume at shrinkage limit is given as volume of solid plus volume of water at shrinkage limit, which is 0.18 mass of solid equals to the volume of solid can be written as mass of solid, okay, which is 28.17 divided by density of solid, which is 2.73 multiplied by density of water, which is 1 gram per cc centimeter cube, plus 0.18 multiplied by mass of solid, which is 28.17. okay, after solving the equation we will get as 15.38 centimeter cube. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.